Hello darlings. So today I really quick wanted to share with you my go-to makeup products. I'm just going to talk really quickly on the foundation and the blush that I choose. So for foundation, I used to always get Neutrogena. It was like this really natural one that they had. However, since I would say maybe the last 2 years, I've been going with ArtOnIt I. I really love their products. ArtOnIt is on top. So what I like about this product is that it provides really good coverage, but it's not overly done where you look cakey. And you can probably see I do have some blemishes here. So let's see. My Tente Jeunesse. I'm just going to apply a little bit so you guys can kind of see what I am talking about. You do see more coverage, look a little more flawless. Okay, so when it comes to the blush, I love ArtOnIt's Liquid Ecstasy. This smells amazing. Sergio Scalona, who is the founder of ArtOnIt Makeup, mixed different essential oils, and all you need is just 2 little drops, very tiny. Please, that's all you need. You won't think it is, but it smears pretty well. You also want the blush to look natural. You really don't want to look like a clown or Pikachu or whatnot. I always put it all around. But there you have it. Those are my 2 go-to makeups for foundation and blush. And so once again, if you wanted to know the product names, it's ArtOnIt's Tente Jeunesse. This is their foundation, liquid foundation. They also have powders and a lot of other products. And their blush, they do have powder blushes, but I do love Liquid Ecstasy. Just a bit different. I love the smell. I wish you guys could smell it. This smells amazing. It's really good. All right, so if you guys have any questions, please let me know and get your makeup out.